So the very first website where you can upload images and get paid for doing so is Shutterstock. Shutterstock is an amazing website and a very big platform where a list of people come to get images. YouTubers and other content creators come here to get images. Graphic designers also come here. Social media managers and other creatives come here that website for quality images for different purposes. So on this website, you can upload any type of image at all and you can make money for yourself. You can upload images like dogs, image of your laptop, of a car, of your living room, of a supermarket, just about anything at all. So far, the quality is top notch. You can upload those kind of videos on this website and you're going to be making money each time someone downloads your image. And you're going to be asking, how do you get paid? Shutterstock pays you directly each time someone downloads your image. This is because they have over 1 billion images, videos, clips, and music tracks downloaded. Like over 1 billion people have downloaded creatives from this website. That's to show you their authenticity and their credibility. And they have over 1 million contributors, which is like 1 million talents, people that upload these videos in this website. Okay, so and other things that they are also present in over 150 definitely going to be part of the countries that make use of Shutterstock. So why are you wasting so much time? Be part of their future success and start making some money for yourself. Okay, so for you to be able to become their contributor, and as a contributor, it means that you are one of their talents, you're one of the people that is going to be uploading images and get paid for it. For you to join their contributors website, you have to check my description box, the description box of this video for the link. Okay, so when you click on the link, it will take you directly. For you to be able to sign up on Shutterstock, you will have to go through their contributor website, and to do that, check my description box, the description box of this video, this particular video. Click on the first link that you see there and it will automatically bring you to this website. This is their contributors website. Okay, and so when you do that, this is exactly what the interface looks like. As you can see here, you have seen become a creator, and the first thing you're going to be doing here on this particular website is to create. You can see that it's saying produce high quality images and videos for our customers to download. Then the next thing you're going to be doing is to submit, upload your content with our easy to use platform and get tips for success. And then the next one you're seeing here is get paid. This is the part that I know you're really interested in. Okay, so make money every time your content is downloaded by one of our worldwide customers. Then another way that you can make money on this website is if you can refer. Of course, this is not compulsory, this is optional, but if you want to do extra, you want to make extra money aside the fact that you're going to be uploading your videos, uploading pictures, and you can also do this by referring people, by referring new contributors. Okay, so you have here earn even more by referring new contributors and customers. All right, so why should you join this platform? More than 1 billion has already been paid out. Okay, so over the last 15 years, we've paid out $1 billion to our worldwide community of contributors. So you see, the fact that they are going to pay is guaranteed. Okay, so this is it. See global earnings. Just go through this, explore it, look at it for yourself, and then right after that, when you're done, you come over to where you have get started and you just click here, get started. All right, so when you click get started, this is the image that is going to come pop up. This is the form, so you fill in this form correctly, accordingly. I already have an account with them, so I may not do this live for you to see, but as you can see, it is very easy for you to go through. Full name, you're going to provide your full name, that's your legal name, the name that you is registered with your national ID card, your driver's license, or whatever means of identification that you have. Okay, that is why they said please provide your legal name. Then the next one is your display name. This display name is simply the name that your customers are going to see whenever they see your image. Okay, so use a name that is easy to pronounce. The reason is so that your whenever your customers see your name, and anytime they want to come back to the website for images or for videos, they can remember your name easily, so that it will be easy for them to remember. Use a catchy, short, easy name that one can easily remember. Then of course you have your email address. Use an active email address, because you're going to be sent a verification or a code, a verification link for you to be able to verify that it was you who actually did this process. Then of course your password, I've already registered, so I'll just click on to login. So when you're done with all of that, I'm certified that you are 18 years and above. Okay, and then you simply click here, this button. You simply click it. It's not going to click because I haven't filled in this other details, but I'll just click on login, because I already have an account with them. So those are my details, and then I'll sign in. I want to show you what it looks like. They're going to be sending you this is what the interface looks like. This is it. When you want to upload, you just come over here and then you upload. Then when you're done, this is how to check your dashboard. Just take a look at this. This is where your earnings will stay and everything that you need to know. So this is very simple and easy, and before you know it, you're going to be having people download your image, and then you can make some money for yourself. Okay, so if you watch this video till this point, please do well to subscribe, and also turn on the bell notification button, because this is what we do here. Okay, so the next website where you can make money by uploading images is called FOAP. Right here, you can see they say turn your image into cash. Okay, turn your photo and videos into cash. All right, so the good thing about this website is that they also have an app, so you can download it and start earning today. It is available on your app store, okay, if you're using an Apple device, and you can also get it on Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. All right, depending on your device, sign up and create an account. Then you can start uploading images and get paid when people purchase it. Over here, you will see why creators love FOAP. Okay, so they have been in existence for over 10 years, or for 10 years plus. Okay, and then they have also 10,000 plus briefs submitted. These briefs is like what clients want, and then they've also paid over 3 million naira to creators. All right, so see brands that have used FOAP. Over 3,000 plus brands have used FOAP. That is how you can define their authenticity. Okay, with this out here, you can tell that this website is authentic. This website is very, very real. Okay, so you can also partake in this money. They have paid about $3 million plus to creators, so you can also partake by start uploading images. And before you can upload your images and start making money from this website, you should register, sign in either with your Google Play Store, download the app like I said earlier, or with your app store, depending on your devices, and then you can start making money. Join the creators platform. You scroll down, you will see other important information like you have seen down here. You've seen that they've paid out. Over here, you're going to be seeing other information that you will need to know about the app. It is very simple, it is very easy. Okay, so all you do right here is to simply upload searchable image on this website, and you will start earning some money for yourself. Third website where you can make money by uploading images is called Click a Snap. All right, this is my favorite among the three websites that I have listed in this video today. This is my favorite. This is because you get paid each time someone views your image. They don't have to purchase it before you get paid. Okay, you can clearly see it here if you scroll down how it works. It is very simple. This is the easiest. So upload your photos. Once you've signed up, simply use our easy upload system to add your images to our photo sharing platform and start earning money today. Then The next thing is users view your photo. So here, like I said, viewers don't need to purchase, they don't need to buy. Just by viewing the image that you have uploaded, Click a Start gets to pay you. All right, so your photos are displayed to others that visit Click a Snap. When your photos are viewed, you make money. All right, so get paid for your photos. That's the third one. Once your payment reaches $15, you can request to withdraw the money. Payments are made through PayPal. They also make payment through Payoneer as well. Okay, so the threshold for payment is $15. The emphasis on all these websites is that upload quality images. Let your image be of a good quality. Okay, so this is very easy. This is very, very simple. Look at a typical example of the kind of image that you can upload. You can upload just about anything that is, searchable. What creators will be searching for, that is exactly what you should upload. So it is very simple, it is very easy. Do not snooze on this. The moment you watch this video up till this point, you should be able to take action, because it is in taking action that you can get results. Okay, guys, so that is it about today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you got value, please, I know that you did, please head over to the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. This is because I share content that work, content about how to make money online that works. If it doesn't work, I'm not going to share it on this channel. So please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, join the family. And while you're trying to do what I have taught you in this video, if you find any difficulty, head over to the comment section and ask your question, and I'm also going to respond. You will also find my Telegram link. Should in case I don't respond quickly on the comment section, you can send me a message on the Telegram link. Okay, and I'm going to respond as soon as I see the message. All right, thank you so much for watching till the end. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.